लेसन टू AC सर्किट्स इम्पेडन्स Z. तर इम्पेडन्स म्हणजे काय, तर इट इज total opposition in the circuit. And when circuit is complex, that is circuit contains capacitor, inductor and resistance, then total opposition is not sum of XC, XL and R, but it is calculated in another method or formula for series. When XC, XL and R in series, then impedance is calculated by this formula: Z equal to under root X square plus R square, where X is total reactance and X means nothing but XC minus XL, and R is resistance in the circuit. But when these capacitor, inductor and resistance are connected in parallelly, then impedance is calculated by current equation, that is IT equal to RX square plus IR square, and RX is nothing but RL minus IC, and from that Z equal to V divided by IT. तर पॅरलरसाठी जेव्हा पॅरलरली जोडलेले असतील इंडक्टर, कॅपॅसिटर, रेझिस्टन्स, त्यावेळेस आपण इम्पेडन्स ह्या फॉर्म्युलाने काढणार आहोत. तर इथे आपल्याला पहिल्यांदा टोटल करंट फ्लोईंग थ्रू इन सर्किट काढायचं. त्याच्यासाठी हा फॉर्म्युला आहे IX स्क्वेअर प्लस IR स्क्वेअर, IX इक्वल टू IL मायनस IC. आणि जेव्हा कॅपॅसिटर, इंडक्टर आणि रेझिस्टन्स हे सिरीजमध्ये असतात तेव्हा आपल्याला इम्पेडन्स ह्या फॉर्म्युलाने काढायचे. आणि इथे जेव्हा कॅपॅसिटर, इंडक्टर आणि हे पॅरलरली जोडलेले असतात तेव्हा आपण ह्या पद्धतीने इम्पेडन्स काढणार आहोत. Now when capacitor, inductor and resistance are connected in a circuit, then in that circuit impedance total opposition means Z impedance is equal to under root X square plus R square, where X is nothing but capacitive reactance minus inductive reactance. And when capacitor, inductor and resistance are connected in parallelly, then impedance is calculated by this formula: Z equal to V divided by IT, where IT is nothing but total current flowing through the circuit, and IT is calculated by this formula: IT equal to under root IX square plus IR square, where IX equal to IL, current flowing through inductor, minus current flowing through capacitor. Here IX equal to IL minus IC, because capacitive and inductive current are 180 out of phase. Therefore IX equal to IL minus IC. And tan theta is equal to XL upon R or minus XC upon R. Therefore theta equal to tan inverse XL upon R or tan inverse XC upon R minus XC upon R. Tan theta equal to XL upon R or minus XC upon R. Therefore theta equal to tan inverse XL upon R or tan inverse minus XC upon R, where theta is nothing but phase angle, effective phase angle. And impedance is measured in ohm. Impedance is measured in ohm. Now in this case capacitor R and inductor and resistance, these all are in series, and total reactance is nothing but X1 plus XC2, XC1 plus XC2 minus XL, and total impedance of circuit is equal to X square plus R square, where R is value of resistance and X is total reactance, and Z is measured in ohm, because it is total opposition. Now when capacitor and inductor and resistance are in parallelly connected, then when capacitor, inductor and resistance are connected parallel with AC supply, then Z equal to V divided by IT, total current flowing through the circuit, where IT equal to Ix square plus IR square, and Rx equal to RL minus IC, current flowing through inductor minus current flowing through capacitor, where L is nothing but voltage divided by inductive reactance. IC equal to voltage divided by capacitive reactance, and IR equal to voltage divided by value of resistance. तर जेव्हा सिरीजमध्ये कनेक्ट केले असतात तेव्हा इम्पेडन्स काढण्यासाठी आपल्याला हा फॉर्म्युला वापरायचा आहे, XC स्क्वेअर प्लस आर स्क्वेअर, स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस आर स्क्वेअर, वेअर एक्स इज नथिंग बट XC1 प्लस XC2 मायनस XL, जेव्हा हे सिरीजमध्ये जोडलेले असतात. पण जेव्हा कॅपॅसिटर, इंडक्टर आणि रेजिस्टन्स हे पॅरलरली जोडलेले असतात व्होल्टेज सोर्सला, AC व्होल्टेज सप्लायला, तेव्हा मात्र आपल्याला हा फॉर्म्युला वापरायचा, Z इक्वल टू V डिवायडेड बाय IT, and IT इज नथिंग बट टोटल करंट फ्लोइंग थ्रू इन सर्किट, and IT equal to square root of Ix square plus IR square, where Ix equal to IL minus IC, where IL is nothing but current flowing through inductor minus current flowing through capacitor, and IL equal to voltage supply V divided by XL, inductive reactance, and IC equal to voltage supply, input voltage supply AC supply divided by capacitive reactance, and current flowing through resistance is equal to input voltage divided by value of resistance, and impedance is measured in ohm.